It can be challenging at times to be one of 5 girls in your classes or the only girl on a group project, and building a community within this major and this department, especially among the female students, I think is really important.
Today we are building a shelf so that we can put it into the space here so that we can use it to put bags in. And so we've been sanding down the shelves. That's what we're doing right now.
We call it We Make, We Share because we start out by making something together and building our skills in the laboratory and with the power tools. As we get to know each other, we transition over into a coffee shop and have conversation about targeted issues that we share as women in engineering.
I've known since my freshman year that we have access to these workshops and are allowed to go in and work in them, but I've never had the confidence or the know-how to go in on my own and build something, and now after that I feel like I do.
I've never really talked to the upperclassmen, and this gave us the opportunity to we have a common ground in a way, and they're giving us advice about what to do in the next coming years, and just from their experience, which is the we share part.
Having this new environment where we're learning right alongside with them on how to use these tools and how to make these things. And then we're having really vulnerable and frank discussions with them too about, hey, here's what I struggle with on a daily basis. And I think the only way to know that is to talk about it.
It helps because it's not like you're alone in the STEM field. There's other people and other females that you could talk to in the STEM field. And you're not just like one girl in a swarm of guys. So it builds a support group.
It's nice to have role models and be able to see yourself in people who work in these roles, and it's challenging to see yourself in male role models as a female student.
I've definitely felt more empowered just to be myself. I don't have to become one of the guys, and I can just be Isabel and have that be a unique part of my contribution to projects and teamwork.